Here's when home prices can drop in 2025. While this may appear to be oversimplified, it is how markets work. Prices drop when demand is met. There is now an excessive demand for houses in several property markets, and there simply aren't enough homes to sell to prospective purchasers. Home construction has increased in recent years, although they are still far behind. Thus, big drops in housing prices would necessitate considerable drops in buyer demand. Demand falls mostly as a result of higher interest rates or a general weakening of the economy. Rising interest rates would ultimately need far less demand and far more housing supply than we now have. Even if price growth slows this year, a drastic fall in home prices is quite unlikely. As a result, there will be no fall in house values. Rather, a pullback which is natural for any asset class. According to many experts, in the United States, house price growth is forecasted to moderate or maybe slightly drop in 2024. Fannie Mae's recent survey of housing experts offers valuable insights into the future of the housing market, predicting a shift from the breakneck pace of 2023 to a more moderate rhythm in 2024 and 2025. The projected slowdown to 2.4% and 2.7% growth in 2024 and 2025, respectively, marks a significant departure from the anticipated 5.9% surge in 2023. This reflects the impact of rising interest rates, which have already cooled buyer demand and are expected to continue exerting pressure in the coming year. While some may interpret this as a sign of a housing market crash, the experts' projections paint a more nuanced picture. Moderation, not meltdown. The deceleration in price growth doesn't necessarily translate to price drops. Instead, it suggests a more balanced market where supply and demand find a middle ground. This could benefit buyers facing affordability challenges in the current red-hot market. Inventory on the rise. Increased construction activity is slowly chipping away at the chronic shortage of homes, potentially easing competition and putting downward pressure on prices, particularly in overheated markets. Long-term view. For those planning to hold on to a property for the long haul, short-term fluctuations may matter less. Focusing on fundamentals like location and long-term value can be a wiser strategy than chasing volatile price movements. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.